Good morning, everyone. We're here in Acadia National Park, and today we're going to be doing one of the most dangerous trails in the whole USA. People have died on this trail. It's going to be a good day. Hopefully it doesn't rain. There's a little bit of snow up on the mountain, but it's going to be a good day. Got our cooking set up. We're here at Sand Beach. Gonna head out to the Beehive Trail in a little bit. Just finished our breakfast. Well, if you can call it that. But we are now heading up there. It's like 1.6 miles, not very long, but it's difficult, ladders, rungs. So we're gonna have a good time. We are on the trail, just started, and it is now snowing on us. There are flurries in the air. There's also ice on the trail back there, but we also got flowing water, so hopefully it's not harder than it's supposed to be. Looks like a pretty nice trail so far. Gonna go up a bit and then get onto the Beehive Trail. Trail so far, a lot of ice. Hopefully there's no ice when there are also ladders, but we'll see. It's going pretty good.
Nearly 34 hours exposed to best that requires climbing on iron rungs.
Got our first glimpse of some of the metal, and it starts hailing on us, so it's always great when that happens. Got these rungs here. It's pretty sick. And some awesome views of Acadia. Oh. This is a trail right here, straight up. So we kind of did go the wrong way, supposed to go down there, but I think the path that we took was even more fun. Got to do some, I'd say, rock climbing. Whew. Oh, almost to the top. Whew. Got some snow up here. You can see the hail on the ground. Whew. Summit of the Beehive. Got the precipice trail over there. Behind these trees, all covered in snow. You have Cadillac Mountain. And then, look at all this snow up here. It's crazy. But that was the Beehive Trail.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah. Gonna go check out the bowl. I don't really know what it is, but I heard that the trail is called the Beehive and Bowl Trail, so must be important, right? Still snowing and hailing on us, but it adds an atmosphere, you know? Am I right, Russell?
What? For Hartford. There ain't never been a movie about a superhero from Hartford.
We made it to the bowl. Some guy just said that he was skating on it. You can see the lines. But we're gonna have a little fun around here. So it's nice. You can see Cadillac. It's kind of back there. It looks fun. Ice is pretty thin, but you can see I went out there, and it was really sketchy. Goodbye bowl in the ice that we almost fell through multiple times. Just left the trailhead, finished the hike. It's really fun. You know, ladders almost falling, sliding on ice. It was a good time. Let me know if you hike this trail, if you've been to Acadia before, and comment some spots that I should go to, we should go to. Looking for some cool places to explore. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.